Does it suit me? Does it fit me?
Are you that man?
Ah. Yes, people. I love it.
Yeah. Never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, datmisehtv. It's your girl Deezer. We are now on the road to Montego Bay. We are looking for a car. So, of course, we're going to take you with us, see what we can find. Yeah, see what the prices are. I'm not too sure about that part because I know cars in Jamaica are expensive.
So, just hoping
yes,
that those people at the car place don't drive us crazy.
Well, please, that's a bit corny. That's a bit like...
They all drive people crazy.
Look here.
So we just don't want them to drive us crazy dealing with them.
Yeah, so we're gonna go
in Jamaica, it's a crazy thing dealing with motor vehicle.
Oh, well, okay. In general, buying a car.
Buying a car in Jamaica is not normal. So we just hope everything go fine and nobody get to drive us crazy.
The way you drive me crazy all the time.
You have a bigger license than me.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't even have a Jamaican driver's license. That's something I need to tackle. So I need to get that sorted out. So of course I have my British license. I've been driving for like
soon you get that, man. You soon get that.
Many years. Over 20 years I've been driving for. But I do need to get my Jamaican driving license. So
but that don't stop me from driving in Jamaica because
it doesn't stop me, but
you take a little piece of the bandula thing from England to Jamaica.
You hear it?
And you just break yourself into this bandulu thing.
But look here, I'm not trying to do this whole bandulu thing. I'm trying to do things on the straight and narrow way. Yeah, I don't want to be. But guys, honestly, sometimes in Jamaica it's hard, you know, because you know everybody kind of does little backdoor deals, bandulu thing. It's quite the norm. But I'm really trying to do things the right and proper way and stay on the straight and narrow. You know, so it can be challenging at testing sometimes, but. You know, I'm just trying to do the right thing. So I do need to go and get my driver's license, which means I will need to go and take a driver's test. Guys, oh my gosh, it's been like 20, I don't even know, over 20 odd years since I did my driver's test. So to have to do it again, but that's a whole other thing, and we'll go into that, and when I'm doing it I'll take you with us and let you know what's going on. But yep, off to my bay right now, guys. So we'll see you in a few. Soon come. So guys, we are back in Priory. So like I said, we're on our way to Montego Bay, but we have stopped in Priory. Guys, you would have seen this place in one of our previous videos, the famous pudding shop. So guys, you know me, you know when I'm on the road, you know I like my patty already, but you know I'm kind of getting tired of the patty thing now. To be honest, I'm kind of getting a bit fed up with it now. So like how we was passing the pudding shop, I couldn't stop and not get saltfish fritters. They do some amazing saltfish fritters. So we're at the pudding shop, and again you can see how they make the puddings outside. Just about to see, and here is Mr. Sir with my fritters. So it's a fritters morning, allowing the patty right now. So on the fritters this morning. So it's a saltfish fritters morning for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just telling him that I'm allowing off the patty. I'm kind of getting tired of the patty now.
Wow, we don't really get tired of patty. No, sir.
Yeah. I think I've OD'd. I've overdone it. Yeah. But these are good in the morning.
Yes, my people. As I'm prayers again. She just going into the store. Get herself a cup of coffee. Do the thing set up. Manners and prayers, see her there. Yes, peeps, she's back. Back from a coffee moment.
Yeah, I got a French vanilla. You must try it if you haven't tried it. It's really good.
Yeah. That's the whole point of it.
Okay, back on the road again.
It's the vibe. That early vibe, that's the most point of it. You know my thing set up, I'm going to drink a hot beer.
See, this is what he's drinking in the morning.
Typical Jamaican. Touching the street early.
What time is it? 9 o'clock?
Typical Jamaican. Going on the street, never drink no tea for the house this morning.
No,
bust a hot beer and you move. That's Jamaican.
Hear the music, people. Freddie McGregor. Uncle Freddie.
Early morning riding.
Yeah, it's like 9:30, guys. Yeah. Montego Bay bound.
for the showcase people.
Oh my gosh. People, dog just ran out in the road. Guys, I'm sorry the camera wasn't the other way. A dog just literally ran right out in front of the car. So we had to swerve to not knock the dog, not the dog. And he would say, it's not about damaging the dog, it's about his car being damaged.
Yeah, but right. Once you down the car mash up.
Yeah.
You know them plastic car nowadays. Joke.
Oh gosh.
That's what them set up.
What year is this one? This is nice. A little small for me though. Yeah, 1.8, but can go to 1.5.
Do you have Honda Accord?
Honda Accord.
2011. You know want something bigger?
This is more like for you, I think.
This.
Yeah.
Okay.
You like 100 year thing, isn't it? This is nice. This one's good.
Ours.
Toyota Auris.
Alright.
2014.
Very nice.
Yeah, I like the style of it. I do like the style of it. Not too small, not too big.
Right.
Good size.
But look like a RAV4.
Yes.
Okay.
That's the play off there. See? Yeah.
214, 2.6 million. 2014. Yeah. Nice. Jesus, I'm quite up here. Nice. I like that. I like, yeah, they're both nice. I want to be a bit higher up. Okay. SUV kind of. SUV kind of.
2011 that?
Look at that? Yeah.
No, Honda me thing. Toyota still, Honda and Toyota me thing. I might think them.
Let's pick up two cars.
Yeah, please.
This caught my eye straight away. As soon as we drove in, this caught my eye.
Yes, that.
Yes, people, this caught my eye straight away. This one? Yeah, let me show you. It's a Toyota, right?
Yeah.
Toyota. I've not seen this one before.
Come on, tell you.
Toyota. Nice. 2020.
Only 4.5.
You hear that? Only 4.5. Nice. Oh, is it called a Raize?
Yeah.
Okay, Raize. 2020. 4.5 million Jamaican dollars. Oh, this is nice. I haven't seen these guys. Let me know if you've seen these ones. It's nice. I like that. This is my favourite so far. Might come with a nice price tag. Yeah, but this is my favourite. I like high cars. I don't like to be too low down. I used to drive a Nissan Juke. You know the Jukes, guys? So I want something quite high up.
This is a nice.
Yeah, I like to be high up. You know what it is? Because I used to drive the Juke. I used to drive a Nissan
Oh,
Juke.
the Juke, yeah.
Yeah, white Juke. So yeah. So it kind of reminds me of the height. Right.
What's the front end?
Oh wow.
But,
Yeah, it's bad, isn't it? Front bad is. So. Yeah. See Outlaws one here.
Yeah, I just want
Please, you see your one here.
this.
You is.
15.
Huh?
2015 is?
What?
Seriously?
Yeah, man.
2015
All
come
that
with
shit.
the whole shape there?
I was about to say because you like old time cars. So.
Well,
Anyway, cut me show some of that stuff.
2015 crown.
2015.
The whole shape there. Under rock the alphabet now.
That's 4.5.
Is it Honda's work with Alphabet?
Yeah, under rock the alphabet.
What year is this?
2020.
Okay. New 2020.
On the BRV.
BRV?
Yeah,
So-
BRV.
What?
That is the one that the one later than
I don't know about CRV, I don't know about BRV, okay.
They have something to do with it, I don't know.
Let's see how much one.
Nice too.
Yeah, it is, it's nice. So this is a new Honda BRV.
Yeah, nice man.
It's nice. How much? 5.7.
2020.
5.7.
I like this as well. What's this one? I like this.
That one is
Mitsubishi.
RVR.
Okay, my kind of style as well. I like that. I like this. Something like this. Mitsubishi. 2016. 3.35. Yeah. Nice. What's it about?
You can go in there.
Okay. Test
You're
out.
not
Isn't
charging.
it? Oh, it's hot. It's nice. Yeah.
Fully loaded.
Fully loaded. Yeah.
Fully loaded. Button press start.
Yeah, man.
Push start.
Squeeze the brake. Press.
Okay. Maybe one. Look at the back there. Yeah, I like this.
Use some
It's nice.
AC.
It's nice. How long have you had this one?
Couple months.
Okay.
Maybe 3.
Okay. I can see, yeah. This is right for me. Love this. Yeah. Me. Does it suit me? Does it fit me?
Are you that man?
Ah.
You that?
Yes, people. I love it. Yeah, this is definitely mine.
Man. That's what.
I like this.
That's what.
My favourite. So, people, that was the first car mart that we've just left, as you would have seen. Guys are falling in love all over again. Yeah, the first car that I saw I was like, yeah, that's the one. That's the one. The Toyota Raize. I've never seen it before anywhere else. Never even heard of it. But yeah, that's the car. That's definitely a favourite of mine. A contender, big contender. The Toyota Raize. The right colour, the white colour with the black roof. Yeah, 4.5 mil, but it is a 2020, so it's a new car. Yeah, but that's my favourite so far. So we've just pulled up at another car mart, literally right next door to the one we just came from. This one is called CASHAPP. This is CASHAPP, right next door to the one we just left. So nothing hasn't jumped out at me yet, but we've just arrived, so let's see. Yeah, I like it. I know it's sold, but I like it. Honda Vezel. Honda Vezel. This is sold. It's nice. I really like this. The inside leather, tan leather interior, which is nice. I do like this. I do like this one. I like the SUV type of cars. I like to be high up. I do like this, but it's sold. But this is really nice as well. I don't know what the price is because it is sold or what year it is. But okay, guys, we've just left the second car mart, which is called CASHAPP. They didn't really have much options for what I'm looking for. They did have a Honda Vezel? What was it called? Vessel. Again, a lot of these cars that you find in Jamaica, you don't really find them in the UK because they get a lot of their cars straight from Japan, so they get some different type of models.
Singapore, yeah.
Yeah, Singapore. But I like the Honda. What was it? Vezel, whatever. But it was sold. And I like white cars too, but it was sold. They had the Honda Vanguard, the Toyota Vanguard, which was, I thought was a RAV4. It looks just like the RAV4, but it's slightly bigger. But yeah, not really my kind of thing. It was a 2013. How much was that one? 3.5 million? 3.2 million for that one. So yeah, not too much there. My favourite is still the Toyota Raize that we saw. And second would be the Honda Vessel. I can't get the name right. It's called Perspective Motors.
Yeah.
BM 2012 3.9 3.2 million. Can do for 2.95. This is nice, but too low for me. What's this?
Honda Type R.
Honda Type R.
Yeah.
So it's sporty looking.
Honda Civic Type R, yeah.
This is like boy racer car, I think.
Yeah, it's cool Type R.
With a spoiler in the back and all of that. This look like boys' toys.
Boys' toys?
Yeah.
Yeah,
This something like. This looks like something that yeah, fast car looking kind of thing.
See that? Sheet pipe around there, I see out of the thing.
Oh, look there, people.
Let's see it.
Oh, the Raize.
Huh? We come to the one time already. Yeah.
See the car here again, people? The Raize. The same one we saw in the first place. 2020, so another 2020. Same colour. See it there again? Okay. 6.1. See it again, people. I really like this one. Yeah, the difference with this one is that it's completely white. So the first one that we saw was white. The body was white, but the top was black, which gave it a little unique look. But this is fully white. This is what I used to drive in the UK. I used to have one of these. So I used to have a Nissan Juke. This is my car that I used to drive. But I had a white one. My one was 2014. Yeah, my one was fully loaded as well. So this is more my style. So this is something I would buy back one again, the Juke. This is 2015. Yeah, I would definitely buy back a Juke. Guys, back to this Juke. This Juke is a 2015, 2.6 million. I just worked it out in UK pounds. That's about £13,000. When I bought my Nissan Juke in England, I bought it. It was about one year old at the time. It was about a year old at the time when I bought it. And I paid about £10,000 for my one at the time. 1 year old. It was 1 year old. It was a 2014 model, and I paid £10,000. 1 year old car. This is 2015. 7, 8, 9, 20. 6 years old, and it's 13,000. It's more than what I paid for the almost brand new car. So just to give you guys an idea, the cars are not cheap. But you can find any car you like out here. That's a good thing. They have a lot of choice of cars, but just be prepared to pay the price. Not unless you are willing to get the car imported yourself from Japan. Of course, there's a charge fee for that. Or you get finance, or you import the car right from the UK. That's another expense, because the clearance charge and how much it is to import it is a lot of money also. So yes, people, just left the third car mart. As you would have seen, the Raize is definitely my favourite so far. Yeah, I haven't really seen anything else. As yet. We're going to one more place called ATL.
Yeah.
ATL. Still in my bay, so ATL. See what they have. But the Raize for me is definitely the number one. So let's see what ATL have got. Soon come. We're going to run our way back, but instead of going through, what would you say? Going through where?
Going through it's going back on the hip strip.
On the hip strip?
Yeah, we took the old road.
We took the old road. So this is
on the hilltop,
yeah, the old road. Okay. These views, guys. There, look. Yep. Look how nice is that?
Way back.
Look at that. And you can see the road at the bottom, yeah. You see? Can you see that plane? I wonder where it's going. Yeah, getting ready to turn to take off. And you can see the sea, the airport right next to the ocean. Yeah. Montego Bay Airport, Sangster International Airport over there. Yeah. Hopefully, guys, that will be me soon on the plane. Coming back to the UK to visit my family. See my grandbaby.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.